think the big mistake that I see guys make in the gym is basically just trying to add as much muscle as possible, no matter where it winds up. So guys just trying to like, he just wants to put on muscle, but like, well, it's really easy to put on. So a lot of programs will say, oh, we can teach you how to put on 20 pounds of muscle. It's actually pretty easy to do. You can do squats and deadlifts all day long, drink, a gallon of milk or protein or whatever, and you can put on that muscle. But what happens is, 90% of that or 75% of that goes on your hips, butt, and thighs. And in some ways, your physique goes backwards because your upper body looks even smaller now compared to your lower body. And if you were to go on the bodybuilding forums, they act like there's all these guys with chicken legs that all over the place. Well, I actually see the opposite. I see these guys that are, they have big traps from deadlifting and really bulky, midsection, lower body, and their upper body doesn't match. So it's almost like the pendulum has swung the other direction too far. I get the message, and I think that squats and deadlifts are beneficial until your legs get the proportional, the size you want them to be. And at that point, why do an exercise that is so good at adding mass if you don't need any more mass in that area? So that's my biggest thing, is just aimlessly gaining muscle just to say that you're gaining muscle is probably the biggest problem I see.